online lessons, online classes, because COVID-19 is spreading very fast. I'm not able to meet you personally, but hope you will extend the same cooperation and interest towards learning. Yes, children, today I am going to do class 5 English, the second poem, The Wandering Singers, whose poetess is Sarojini Naidu. Now, I ask you to open to page 17. In the previous class, we have dealt with the answers. Now, page number 17. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follows. With lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred. The world is our home. So, what is being told here? By saying all men are our kindred, the speaker means that all the people of the world are like a family. We have to have a spirit of brotherhood among ourselves, among our house, among the people in our house, in our colony, our neighbors and our friends. So by that he means, the speaker means that all the people of the world are like our family, live in brotherhood. Second one, what does the speaker mean? All men are kindred. Can the whole world be our home? State why and can the whole world be our home? Can everybody be kind to everybody? What does the speaker say here? The wandering singers say that since they do not stay in one place, they cannot gather hope and have dreams about the bright future. We do not have a bright future because we do not stay in one place. And the next destination depends upon the call of the wind. Wherever the wind is taking us, we are going along with the wind. We don't have any future, we don't have any hope. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls, our wandering footsteps we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our faith. What does the speaker want to convey in these lines? The singer says that he is continuously roaming. He is not stuck in one place, so he has no bright future. And also, his next destination depends upon the voice of the wind. Second one, do you think the speaker is complaining? Is the speaker complaining? Give reasons to your answer. Yes, he is complaining. The wandering singer seems to be sad. He is very sorrowful, full of sorrow. And complaining that there is neither any love in their life. We are all the time wandering. We are strangers to each other. There is no love among us. As there is a love between children and parents, no love abides in between us. And there is no joy. There is no future. There is no hope. There is no joy in our life. So we can tell, yes, the wandering sinner seems to be sad and complaining that there is neither any love in their life to hold them back in one place, nor any joy to look after them. So he is complaining. Now children, in the olden days also we had many singers, and now also you have many singers. Yes, you have. Now, I want you to give some work to your brain and tell me the differences. The singers of today, first we will take singers of earlier times. The singers of earlier times we should take. That is the old singers. The old singers, how they were. I think they were very dedicated to their work. They put their heart and soul into what they were singing. And they were very melodious. They did not shout or scream in front of the mic. They were very melodious, the olden times. They were full of dedication. If some work was given, no disturbance. And they were not money-minded, service-oriented, not money-minded. They were not at all money-minded. How much also is the producer given them? They were accepted, not money-minded. Satisfied with what the people have given them. Next one is, they loved the audience, they loved public, and again he came in front of them, gave their time and talents to them. They were very patient. They were very patient with their work, very patient. From morning to evening, if one song is recorded, no problem. No problem. And sixth, they were God-fearing. So, these are the qualities. You can put your own qualities also. You can ask your parents, what are the qualities of the ancient singers, old singers, earlier time singers? First of all, they were very dedicated towards the work, dedicated. Their music was very sweet, melodious. They never shouted or screamed. They were service-oriented all the time with our jobs and with our flutes. Not at all money-minded. How much the producer gives, even he gives less, they shut them off. They do not show it. And they simply love the public. They love to come out to the public in the parks. And they were very, very patient. Even something goes wrong, again and again retake, again and again retake. And they were also God-fearing. They feared God and lived in brotherhood. But what is the situation today? Today's singer, how it is? How is it today's singer? According to what I have given points, you can add your own points. We can make it 10 points. What I felt I have written. I think they are not so dedicated, they are selfish. Self-centered. They are self-centered. Second one, they are not so melodious. Not so melodious. They scream and use all sorts of music. And they were money-minded. Oh, you give me so much money, I will do only one song today. They were money-minded. The present generation is money-minded. Is asking for a lump sum of money for his work, for his short work. And next is, they do not have time either for the audience or no time. They say we do not have time. They did not love the audience. No time to love them. And they are in a hurry, always they are in a hurry. They are always hurry. And they have no fear of God Almighty. No fear of God, Almighty God. They lead a corrupt life. So today's singers are selfish, not so melodious as the ancient singers, very much money-minded. You give me so much, I will do only one song today. And they have no time, no love among them to go out and love the audience. They are always in a hurry to do a number of songs in a short duration. And they have no fear of God. You can write your own points, children. What I felt I have written. Now, you have to tell me some rhyming words. So I hope the qualities of earlier times and today's singers are in your mind. The earlier times were dedicated, but today is selfish singers. The earlier times the songs were very melodious, not so melodious music nowadays. And not at all money-minded ancient singers, but now the present generation is money-minded. They simply love the audience, they love to go out, but here there is no time for the audience, for the present generation. They were very patient. Even if one song goes wrong, they retake, but today's generation has no patience at all. They are always in a hurry to wind up. And they were very God-fearing. The earlier people were very God-fearing. They loved their neighbors, they did their duty, but nowadays there is no fear of God among the people. Now these are the qualities of the singers. Now we shall go and read the poem and note down the rhyming words. I hope you are with me, children, listening to the qualities of the ancient and the present generation singers and bringing out the difference between them. Now, dimple, the word is dimple. You can write this simple. The rhyming words, rhyme. You can go to page number 18. The first word is dimple. You have to write simple. Dimple, simple. Second one is gown. You can write clown. G-O-W. Gown. Please note down. Gown. G-O-W-N. Gown. Clown. C-O-L-O. Clown which we see in the circus. The joker with the colorful face and mask. Second one and third one is choice. You can go to voice. So first for dimple, simple. For gown, clown. For choice, voice. Row. Fourth word is row. You can write crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Stream. For street, you can write dream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. I had a beautiful dream last night. Code, soap. S-W-O-R, soap. So dimple, simple. Gown, clown. Choice, voice. Row, crow. Stream, dream. Code, soap. Now you have to complete the crossword given on the page 18. Look at the first one. The dog is running fast. In the first you write S-L-O-W. Slow. Fast opposite is slow. Just write here S-L-O-W. Now come to the fourth. The grocer had a loss in his business. Loss. Opposite is gain. G-A-I-N. Gain. Fourth one. Fourth word G-A-I-N. Loss, gain. The fifth word, my sister is asleep. My sister is asleep. Opposite of asleep is awake. You can write here A-W-A-K-E, awake. The boy was very rude to his friend. Sixth one, very rude to his friend. So, sixth one, polite. P-O-L-I-T. Sixth one will be here. P-O-L-I-T-E, polite. Now you have to sit down. She keeps her clothes in a small cupboard. Go to the second word. Second one is large. L-A-R-G-E, large. Mother is chopping with a blunt knife. That is the third one. Opposite of blunt is sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. The answer to this question is false. The seventh word, what is the seventh word, children? True. T-R-U. So open your books and write the first S-L-O-W, slow. L-A-R-G-E, large. Awake, A-W-A-K-E, awake. Sharp, S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Polite, P-O-L-I-T-E, polite. True, T-R-U-E, true. Gain, G-A-I-N, gain. Hope the crossword is clear to you. You will do it. Now children, hope you understood and you will read what all is given today, and for your homework you are going to take down the today's homework. First of all, you are going to write the rhyming words given there. Homework for today. The first one is write the rhyming words. Write the rhyming words and learn them, which is given in the page 18. Read the crossword puzzle. Read the given crossword puzzle. Third, page number 17. Page 17. Read the extract. Right? You have to write it. What you have to write? Read the extract. Read the extract. You have to write in your homework. Read the extract and answer the question. Read the extract and answer the question. You have to do both. First A, B, second A, B. So page number 70. Read the extract. First you have to do first A, B, second A, B. Both. You have to learn and write them. And for your fourth homework, you have to paste pictures of all the musical order you see around. Paste pictures of musical order. All that you see around and name what it is. For example, here. You have to stick the different pictures. You can go to the internet. What is this piano? What is this what? You have to write the names of different musical instruments. So for your homework, hope you understood. You are with me, children, and I hope I am very clear with the poem, with the rhyming words. Do the puzzle by yourself. Learn the spellings of the rhyming words. Learn the read the extract and given the question, and go around collecting pictures. Have a safe day, children. Practice SMS, which is social distancing. M for mask and S for soap. Frequently washing your hands. Sanitizing your hand again and again and being free of germs. A kind word to the parents. Parents, do be with your children and see that they are sitting with full concentration in front of the lessons which lessons are being delivered to them. Please see that they note down the points and they tell you the points. Dear parents, have your dinner together with your children. Have a safe day, children.